Hello everyone, my name is Elias. I'm the head chef of Bella Canta, and today I'm gonna show you how to make carnitas. Carnitas is just braised pork, super delicious. So we're gonna start with the pork carnitas. To begin cooking the carnitas, we need to melt the fat. So we're just gonna pour the solid fat on a pot. Don't be intimidated by the amount of fat. It's super tasty and delicious. If you don't want to use all fat, you can use half fat, half lard, and half oil. After you have the lard on the pan, we're just gonna add half a garlic. Just cut it in half. Just put all of it. Cut an onion. Just cut it in 4. We're gonna add some bay leaves, about 3. And we're gonna add ancho chiles. Ancho chile is a dry chile. It's from Mexico. This chile is not as spicy. It's just gonna give a lot of flavor and smokiness to the taste of the carnitas. Next, we're gonna put Coca-Cola. The Coca-Cola is just to give that caramelized flavor. If you can find Mexican Coca-Cola, that will be better. Yes, there's a difference between Mexican and European. Mexican are made out of like actual sugar, canned sugar, so they're gonna tend to be more sweet. So we just open one. Just pour it over, don't be shy. So once the lard it's melt, we're just gonna season the meat. Just put a little salt on top and in the bottom. And just place it inside. Make sure the lard is covering the entire pork. Once it's that, let's just put the lid on. So now put it in the oven, 90 degrees Celsius, for about 6 to 8 hours, or until the meat is tender. This is the perfect time for you to start making the salsa verde, pico de gallo, and your tortillas. So once it's ready and the cook its meat and nice and tender, just gonna pull it out. Just be gentle. It's gonna break because it's been cooking for 6 to 8 hours. Just drain it and just place all the meat on the bowl. Once it's ready, just shred it. This is like the most common tacos that we will eat in Mexico on a Sunday for brunch. We'll get all together as a family, get 4 or 5 kilos of meat, and invite all families from mom to parents, everyone. We'll get together about like 40 people in the house. Everyone will make salsa, some of them will make the meat. Don't be shy shredding the fat. It's gonna give a nice flavor to the meat. So just shred it a little bit. If the skinny gets a little bit tough, just put it on a cutting board, chop it, and mix it with everything. It's gonna give a nice flavor to the meat. So once it's all shredded, you can just make yourself some tacos with the salsas and everything ready, or you can mix it with rice, unos frijoles charros, just ready to go. And with your lard, you can just keep it in the fridge for 3 to 5 months, and you can keep reusing it to make more carnitas.